do something special for our grandpa by getting his truck fixed up because he does so much for us.
And I'm Sarah, Ron's daughter. This truck is truly a community truck. Family and friends are always using it to move furniture, haul landscaping supplies, do yard work in their beautiful yard. So many things this truck is used for.
I'm Josh. I'm Ron's son. This truck's been in our family for over 20 years, and my dad bought it from his own father's next door neighbor, so it has a ton of sentimental value.
And I'm Joan, Ron's wife. He turned 70 this year. Sure would be great if you guys could fix this up so he could use it all the time. And we sure would appreciate your help.
Thank you!